Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my one and only daughter, well for now. So as most of you guys know, I am expecting with baby number 3, and it is also a girl. So today I thought it would be fun to transform her. She's gonna be a teenager already. She's gonna be 13 soon here in just how many days? 9 days. So she's not into makeup, are you?
Only eyebrows and mascara and lips the most.
Right. Well, her eyebrows, she's gonna get threaded for the first time also. She's never tweezed, done anything with her eyebrows.
She got her eyebrows done and they look like they were tattooed on her, so.
Ew.
I asked her where she went.
So you don't go there?
Yeah.
I'm going to be doing my everyday soft glam makeup look that I have on myself right now. And I'm going to transform her into little Vicky. If you're interested in seeing the transformation, then keep on watching. And at the end of the video, we will be answering some of your questions that I asked you guys to leave us. I asked you guys to leave us some questions, any questions, so I'll be answering those at the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed that really quick demonstration I did on my daughter. Her name is Layla. Layla Bear.
No.
Okay. Alright, so we're gonna get started answering some questions. Okay, so we have a question from Amy. She's one of my clients and now aspiring makeup artist, and I'm so proud of her. So she asked, what is your favorite food, and is this pregnancy easier than your others?
Should I put highlighter here?
I don't put highlighter there for me.
Well, I would.
Diva. She never wears makeup. The first time I put makeup on her, she's telling me, put highlighter. Okay, Amy asks, what is your favorite food? And is this pregnancy easier than your others? Okay,
I'll
so
go first. So my favorite...
Okay, go ahead.
My favorite food is... It's a hard one. You can go now.
Really, Layla? My favorite food is wings. I definitely love some wings, some hot wings. Anything with a lot of chile, really. So, but wings. Wings is the first number one thing that comes to my mind. And was this pregnancy easier than my others? No. When I was pregnant with both of them, I was basically a teenager. So I don't remember feeling so sick. I just remember saying, oh shit, I'm pregnant, both times. Like literally, oh shit, I'm pregnant. And then, well, actually this time too, I did say, oh shit, I'm pregnant. But those other times I was younger and I feel like I was more active and my body was able to tolerate a lot more. This time I have grown folk problems because we have our own house. We have a lot of bills and my work. And so managing everything has definitely been a lot more difficult this pregnancy. And but I'm trying to keep it easy, trying to be stress-free.
From Effie's Cakes 2. Do you notice you guys' relationship change now that you're getting older, and how?
Read it.
Oh, Layla, my little buddy.
So Effie is my best friend from high school for over 13 years. Yeah, because Layla, I knew her way before I got pregnant with Layla, obviously. So, yeah, what do you think, Layla? Do you think our relationship has changed?
Do you? You mean, did you?
Do you notice?
Correction.
No, that's right. Do you notice?
Your guys.
This is Effie, okay? This is how we used to talk, and this is how we still talk. We ghetto.
Ew, you sound like Davian.
Do you think our relationship has changed now that we're getting older?
Now that I'm getting older? No.
Well, you don't notice anything because you're just growing, and I'm a mama. I'm your mom. I'm your mama. But for me, I do feel that anytime that we're at a party, even though it's a family gathering or whatever the case may be, I would think that she would want to be hanging around with her, people her age and like cousins and family or whatever, and she stays right there by my side. I noticed that. It's like, what you trying to be nosy? Trying to get on in the conversation. Nosy ass.
Next one.
Krista Castillo asks, are you scared or worried how things are going to go or change with the new baby? For sure. For sure. We have a dog. We didn't have a dog before. And she is very needy. So already I can picture that maybe when the baby comes, she's gonna be jealous. Not gonna have to, but I try to balance it out. I'm gonna try to keep it that way, try to keep things balanced out with the baby and with Harley, because the way things are going right now, she's driving us nuts. She wants to bark all the time. I'm surprised she's not barking right now because she's in her kennel.
She's asleep.
Okay, when she just ate. Okay. In general, when in the makeup field, in my makeup career, things definitely has changed. Last year, when I found out I was pregnant, I told myself, well, a lot of me being able to travel and do a lot of things that like I got to do last year, I know it's going to be very difficult or even out of the question, because I do plan on breastfeeding. God hoping I can do that. So I know, but the good thing though is that my full-time job, I am able to bring the baby with me to my job. So I'm gonna have that baby right here colgado de un chichi, like probably all the time, literally. But I'm thankful and blessed, to say the least.
Next question is from my M Rios. What is one thing that you both admire from each other? I admire that she's short so I can be taller than her.
Really, Layla? I thought you were gonna give a heartfelt true.
It's only on Thanksgiving.
Oh, the thing I admire for Layla is that honestly she's
Why you say my name
nothing.
like that?
There's so many things I admire about this little Bia, but one of the main things is that's a burp. She's nothing like me, so she's very chill. She's not a tomboy, but she's not a girly girl. She's kind of like right in the middle. I'm glad she doesn't wear makeup. I had to beg her to do this literally for the past couple days. I hope it doesn't backfire on me and she's gonna turn 13 in 9 days and she's gonna be like, Mom, can I wear makeup every fucking day? I'm like, fuck no. But what was the question again? Oh yeah, admire. She's so kind. Like, I cannot believe how kind she is and considerate of others, because I wasn't like that. I was always super selfish. But no, she's very, very considerate of others, and I really admire that about her. Next question comes from Vicious_Cuts. What's up, Yvette? Says, OMG, I want to know how long it's been since you started doing makeup, and what was your biggest hurdle in getting to where you are today? I got into makeup in 2007. If you guys have not watched my video, have not watched my video, my very first video that I ever uploaded to YouTube, it talked about my journey. Okay, so in 2007, I got pregnant with my son, lost a lot of weight, and after I had him, I felt really ugly and insecure about myself. Started watching a lot of novelas. I was super jealous of all these actresses, and I'm like, man, I want to look like them. And so I started getting better on my makeup, watching YouTube, obviously. And people started to take notice. I started doing makeup on my coworkers when I used to work for a dental office. And then from there, I started doing makeup on their friends and their friends. So it basically grew from a referral basis. I never considered myself a makeup artist until 2012, because that's when I went in and I charged my first client. And I decided this is something that I wanted to do. One of the main things was trying to get out of the same technique as I would do on myself. I found that I was doing the same thing on everybody else. That was in the very beginning, about a good 2 years. It took me to finally realize, hey, this doesn't look good on this person. And also, still to this day, trying not to focus on other people's blessings, whereas I would feel like I've been doing this for a long time, and I feel like the person that, this other person has been doing it for lesser time or even the same amount of time, and they're skyrocketed to success, when really I should be counting my blessings and everything that I have now. So trying to keep my focus on me and how to better grow myself and my brand is still a struggle that I'm constantly dealing with. So yeah, not focusing on other people and focusing on myself. Okay guys, so that's all the questions for now, because we did this pretty quick. I asked you guys maybe over an hour ago, just a little bit over an hour ago, to leave me questions.
And oh my gosh, her phone was blowing up, so we don't have time for that.
Shut up!
Oh, you're doing it.
Okay, well, she does not want to sit through any more of this nonsense.
Quit lying.
You want to watch the shit off already. Tell me to quit. Exactly. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. And until next time.
Next time?
Yeah, that's what we have to say. Until next time. Do it at the same time. Ready? Until next time.